Seared sea bass with lemon, olive white beans. Ingredients: How to make it. Step 1. Heat a large non-stick skillet over medium-high. Sprinkle fish with 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon pepper. Add 1 tablespoon oil to skillet, swirl to coat. Add fish, cook to desired degree of doneness, about 3 minutes on each side for medium. Remove fish from pan, discard drippings. Lightly tent fish with foil to keep warm. Step 2. Heat remaining 2 tablespoons oil in skillet over medium-high. Add garlic, cook, stirring often, until light golden brown, about 1 minute. Stir in thyme and tomatoes, cook, stirring often, until heated through, about 1 minute. Add stock and beans, bring to a simmer. Add spinach in batches, and cook, tossing gently, until spinach is wilted after each addition. Stir in lemon juice, olives, remaining 1/2 teaspoon salt, and remaining 1/4 teaspoon pepper. Divide bin mixture among 4 shallow bowls, nestle 1 fillet into each bowl,